They'll bring tears to your eyes, and the way I cook them, a tingle to your taste buds. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame. Good to have you with us. Whether it's hot dogs, burgers or a side dish, these onions are going to be absolutely sensational. I'm cooking in a Weber drip tray. They're really useful to have around. There's always a stock of them in my barbecue cupboard. I'm adding 3 onions, which I've finely sliced in the Magimix food processor. Now for the beer. I'm using a low alcohol brew, which I'm drinking these days. Just 5 fluid ounces. Don't worry, the rest isn't going to waste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Demerara sugar. That puts a fizz in it. And 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard. Whisk it all together to mix, and don't forget the whisk assessment. Pour over the onions, making sure all those lovely mustard seeds go in. Season well with a grind of salt and black pepper. I'm now adding a few sprigs of thyme from my herb garden, plus a knob of butter. With a sheet of foil, I'm tenting the tray, crimping the foil to the edges to make a tight seal. This will allow the onions to steam and barbecue at the same time. It's onto the grill. Close the lid and leave them to cook at about 200 degrees C for 25 to 30 minutes. So let's have a look at these onions. Yes, it is hot. Carefully remove the sprigs of thyme. Well, there's still some liquid in there. I'm putting them back on the grill without the foil for another 5 minutes, so that liquid can evaporate. The beer should be a syrupy consistency and the onions meltingly soft. Well, yes, they are done. I'm moving them onto the warming rack where they will continue to cook while I get these sausages going. These are British pork sausages from my butcher. Turn them frequently for even cooking. If they're flaring up too much, move them and let your ears soak up that sizzle. Keep your eye on the onions. If they're drying out, moisten them with a drop more beer. Yes, there's still some left. Cheers. The smell coming from these onions is amazing. With everything done, it's time to assemble these hot dogs. It really doesn't matter if the onions go on top or underneath, or there's a squeeze of mustard or ketchup. The taste is going to be absolutely sensational. You can cook these onions just as easily in the oven in the kitchen as on the barbecue. Give them a try and let me know what you think. All you have to do is click that button. Don't forget to activate and ding the bell. And share your thoughts in the comments box below. I love to hear from my viewers. Now, here's a recipe recap. If this video has been made to your liking, then give us a thumbs up. It doesn't matter if these onions are with frankfurters, British bangers or good old burgers. The taste is amazing. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the dude of the food, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.